best treadmills. Treadmills are exercise machines for running, walking, or climbing in one place. They consist of conveyor belts which are driven by electric motors, requiring users to walk or run at speeds matching the belts. Treadmills continue to be the leading exercise equipment in the world. Despite exercise being their primary function, treadmills also have medical uses when connected to equipment such as an ECG. There are hundreds of treadmills on the market, and thus it'll be challenging to purchase one. Luckily for you, our team of researchers, reviewers, and analysts have scoured the internet and compiled a list of the 5 best treadmills in the market. Keep watching to find out more about each one of them. As usual, you can find the links and the products in the description box below. And now, let's watch our video. At number 1 is the NordicTrack Commercial 1750 Treadmill. The NordicTrack 1750 brings interactive personal training to your home. The treadmill comes with a 1-year iFit family membership that complements workouts and provides professional fitness training. The membership allows you to create a maximum of 5 individual workout profiles to track your personal exercise history, metrics, and fitness ratings across all iFit compatible equipment. The treadmill features a 10-inch HD coaching touchscreen which brings studio classes home. Live stream energizing, breathtaking workout classes from all over the world. The classes are led by elite trainers in a motivating and empowering environment anytime you want. Your iFit trainer offers automatic training control by adjusting your speed so that you can focus all your energy on each workout. To optimize your exercise, the iFit trainers also adjust your incline and decline. The treadmill also offers smart response motor equipped with self-cooling technology. The motor supports all types of cardio training and offers an effective running speed of up to 12 miles per hour. For a comfortable run, the commercial treadmill features a 300-pound user capacity belt measuring 22 by 60 inches. The belt has runner flexes that cushion to protect you from injuries. For simple, compact storage, the treadmill has an innovative space-saving design that enables you to fold it after a workout. At number 2 is the Xterra Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill. The Xterra TR150 is designed for your home environment and incorporates many features developed for your comfort. For optimum impact absorption, the Xterra treadmill comes with extra soft cushion deck technology. This technology minimizes joint stress and gives you a more comfortable workout experience. For variation, the treadmill has 3 manual adjustable incline settings. You can therefore choose between the 12 preset programs or use the manual program. And with the 5-inch easy-to-read LCD console, you can track and keep updates on your workout details such as time, speed, distance, pulse, and calories burned. Hand grip sensors that measure your pulse are fixed on the side handbars to ensure that you achieve your goals. The treadmill has a large 16 by 50-inch belt surface that a 250-pound user can provide enough room for your workouts. The machine is powered by a smooth, quiet, and powerful 2.25 horsepower motor running at speeds ranging from 0.5 to 10 miles an hour. And with direct access speed keys, you can control your workout based on your fitness level. For convenience as you work out, the treadmill has heavy gauge steel frame with integrated accessory holders to conveniently hold your water bottle, phone, and more. Get entertained by listening to your favorite music and keep hydrated during your daily exercise sessions. When you're done, the treadmill's easy foldable design allows you to pull the knob and release the deck to fold or unfold. Still haven't found the treadmill that fits your needs? Well, keep watching, we still have more in store. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, now's the time to do so. And also click on the notification bell icon so you'll be updated when we upload new reviews. And now back to our list. At number 3 is the Mirax W501 Manual Incline Folding Electric Treadmill. The Mirax treadmill is engineered to give you a comfortable space-saving workout. It's a small one that measures at 55 by 23 by 43 inches when unfolded. The treadmill also has a compact, easy-to-use foldable design that saves you space when not in use. Transporting around the floor is even easier by its wheels. The Mirax treadmill frame is both plastic and metal. Enjoy easy access to speed adjustments and the stop-start buttons on the handlebars. The bars also feature an EKG pulse sensor to monitor your heart rate by just placing your thumb on the hand grip. It also has a 5-inch LED display which allows for 12 preset programs and 3 inbuilt distance, time passed, calories burned modes. This feature ensures that you reach your workout targets and monitors your progress. It has a 43 by 15 inch anti-slip running belt made of EVA composite and has a 240 pound capacity. The tread belt is multi-layered to reduce wear, absorb shock, as well as reduce noise when running. It's powered by a strong and quiet 1.5 horsepower motor that supports speeds ranging from 0 to 8 miles an hour. And with the digital speed control function, you can adjust speed to vary your workout from light exercise to heavy sprinting. The safety emergency stop key is in place to protect you from possible accidents. For convenience and entertainment during a workout, the treadmill features the integrated tablet holder to place your phone, and if your phone runs out of batteries, you don't have to stop your exercise. Just plug it into the USB port. The MP3 and audio auxiliary port can motivate you by playing your favorite playlist through the inbuilt double speakers and headphones. There's easy-to-reach drinking bottle holders on both sides of the handlebars to keep you hydrated. At number 4 is the Proform Trainer 430i Folding Smart Treadmill. The Proform Trainer 43i is iFit enabled and allows you to access thousands of motivating studio classes and workouts from anywhere. The workouts are led by the world's best, cheerful iFit trainers whom your success is their primary goal. You can also optimize your exercises by automatically adjusting your incline to mimic the actual world terrain. Once purchased, you get to enjoy a 30-day iFit trial which gives you access to the world-class personal training right in your home. The Proform features a large LCD window display to enable you to follow up on details such as speed, distance, time passed, and an estimate of the calories burned. Get an instant estimate of your heart rate with the EKG grip pulse sensors that are integrated into the handlebars. The treadmill features a stylish Bluetooth connection that allows you to personalize your workout by connecting to your tablet or phone. For comfortable runs, the treadmill has a 16 by 50 inch running surface. The treadmill has a maximum user weight of 300 pounds and can support runners up to 6 feet tall. And with the digital quick incline and speed controls, the Proform treadmill targets and tones up to different muscle groups by going up to a 10% incline and a speed up to 10 miles per hour. Enjoy adjustable stride cushioning that supports your joints by letting you adjust to your level of preference. The treadmill is powered by a 2 horsepower motor with self-cooling system to supply constant power to your workout. With a space-saving design, fold your treadmill deck into the machine once you're done with your exercise and enjoy the extra space. Download the built Intelligent app for step-by-step instructions to help you assemble the machine. Finally, at number 5 is the Costway 800W Folding Treadmill. If you don't have time to go to the gym or the weather's bad, then meet the Costway Home Treadmill. This treadmill makes your home a small gym to help keep you and your family healthy and in shape. It has a quality durable frame made of steel and comes with an easy-to-use foldable design to save on space. For portability around the house, the treadmill comes with wheels. It also features a multifunction LED display to help you track your heart rate, speed, distance, time, and calories burned. The handrails have integrated speed control buttons with start and stop buttons and a heart rate test function. And to keep you safe during your workouts, the treadmill features a safety guaranteed design with safety key that connects you to the machine and an emergency stop button that prevents unnecessary accidents. The Costway treadmill is driven by an 800-watt motor which supports speeds of 0.5 to 6.5 miles per hour. The treadmill belt is made of PVC and has a running surface of 39 by 14 inches with a 220-pound capacity. For convenience during the workout, the treadmill features phone holders to help you chat with your friends or even watch movies as you work out. Treadmills are playing a magnificent role in helping keep our bodies in shape and fit. And with the best machine, you can achieve all of your workout targets while taking fun in the workouts. We hope when it comes to purchasing one, our list will be of help. As always, we value your suggestions and comments, so if there's a product you have in mind you'd like to see us review, just let us know in the comments section and our research team will get to work. For more information and prices on the products in our list, check out the description box below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time, right here at the ReviewTube channel.